Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about the objectives of management. Objectives means the goals or the end points towards the achievement of which every component of the business organization works. So these objectives can be classified into three categories: organizational objectives, personal objectives and social objectives. Organizational objectives means which are related to the growth and prosperity of the business. It is generally said that the profit maximization is the only objective of the business, but this is not correct. Every management aims to achieve a number of objectives which helps in reducing cost, increasing efficiency and bringing profitability and prosperity to the organization. So these organizational objectives can be further classified into survival, growth and profits. Survival means this is the basic objective of every business organization, that in order to survive, an organization must earn enough revenues to cover its cost. Means जो भी बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है उसको सर्वाइव करने के लिए इन द मार्केट और टू फेस द कंपटीशन इन द मार्केट, हर एक बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को इतने रेवेन्यूज़ एंड प्रॉफिट्स अर्न करने होंगे सो दैट कॉस्ट कवर हो जाए. Then comes profit. As you know that profits is the main motive of every business organization, and profit is the reward for risk bearing by the businessman. So profit jitna, like you must have listened the proverb, more risk more profit. तो जो भी बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, मैनेजमेंट है, वो जितना ज़्यादा रिस्क लेंगे उतने ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट्स होंगे. तो प्रॉफिट्स बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से रिलेटेड है. Profits are necessary, or you can say profit is also essential for the survival, growth and expansion. See, profit maximization should not be at the cost of consumer exploitation. Reasonable profits should always be there so that a business organization can run in the long time period. Next comes growth. This is also the main objective of which is related to the business organization. So to remain in the industry, management must exploit fully the growth potential of the organization. बिजनेस में जो भी पोटेंशियल है, हमारी मैनेजमेंट में जो भी पोटेंशियल है, बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जो पोटेंशियल है, उसको फुली यूटिलाइज करना सो दैट हमारा बिजनेस ग्रो कर जाए. बिजनेस की ग्रोथ का मेन इंडिकेटर क्या है? सेल्स वॉल्यूम, इंक्रीज इन द एम्प्लॉय काउंट, or the number of products, or increase in the capital investment. These are the basic indicators of growth. तो किसी भी बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जितनी ज़्यादा ग्रोथ होगी उतनी ज़्यादा डाइवर्सिफिकेशन, सेल्स वॉल्यूम होगा, तो उससे बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ग्रो करेगी. सो दीज आर द मेजर ऑब्जेक्टिव्स विच आर रिलेटेड विद द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, सो कंसिडर्ड एज ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. नेक्स्ट कम्स सोशल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. As a part of society, every organization, whether it is business or non-business, has a social obligation to fulfill, which is to consistently create economic value for the various constituents of the society. Social objectives क्या हैं? देखो, हर एक बिजनेस का मेन मोटिव प्रॉफिट अर्निंग है, दैट इज़ ट्रू, बट प्रॉफिट्स को अर्न करने के लिए बिजनेस हमारी सोसाइटी के रिसोर्सेज को यूटिलाइज करता है. So this becomes the responsibility of the business organization to provide something which can lead to the development of the society. Okay, so how this can happen? देखो, अगर बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कुछ इन्वायरमेंट फ्रेंडली मेथड्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन यूज़ करे, और इफ़ द बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन provides employment opportunities to the disadvantaged sections of the society, or providing the basic amenities like schools and crèches to the employees' kids. So these kind of things will lead to the upliftment of the society. Okay, so social objectives may also consider, we can also consider that by supplying the quality goods at the reasonable prices, by generation of employment opportunities, by giving the financial support to the community, by contribution towards the civil amenities, by organizing educational, health and vocational training programs for the people, using environment friendly methods of production. So these kind of things will come under the social objectives. Social objectives means the objectives that are decided by the business organization for the development of the society. Okay. Next comes personal objectives. Personal objectives are also called individual objectives and human objectives. So as you know that in the business organization, lot many employees work. Individuals, human beings work. So it becomes very necessary to keep our employees motivated and satisfied. So how it can be possible if the business organization provide the favorable environment for the employees, or you can say the competitive salaries, or like avenues for the personal development such as promotions, incentives, training, etc. और अगर बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कुछ ऐसे लाइक प्रोग्राम्स हैं जिससे एम्प्लॉयज़ का पर्सनल रिकग्निशन हो जाए, सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट हो जाए, जैसे मैनेजमेंट अगर किसी एम्प्लॉय को रिकग्नाइज करती है, इट मीन्स दैट एम्प्लॉय हैज़ अ इनफ गुडविल, राइट? सो इफ एनी एम्प्लॉय get such kind of facilities in the business organization, so those are for the development of our employees, personnel who are working in the business organization. See, workers will take more interest in the work if their personal objectives are taken care of by the management. So management should integrate the personal individual objectives of the employees with the organizational objectives. So I hope you are clear with this. And now you can go with this quick revision like mind map. Objectives of management can be classified into organizational, social and personal. Organization जो organization से related हैं such as survival, growth and profit. Social objectives जो society की development के लिए हैं such as providing quality goods, giving employment opportunities and providing eco-friendly goods. पर्सनल और इंडिविजुअल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स जो एम्प्लॉयज़ से रिलेटेड हैं, पर्सोनल से, इंडिविजुअल्स से रिलेटेड हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल बाय प्रोवाइडिंग comparatively good salaries to our employees, by giving them promotion incentives etc., or by giving them better and healthy working conditions. So all these comes under the objectives of management. Thank you.